Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Ashtaware Pavement Designers Corner. My name is Chadwick Becker with Applied Research Associates, and today we're going to step through how to create a material library and add that material library to a new design. So once we've logged in, the first thing we need to do is come down here to Tenants and click on that, and then click on PMed Test Tenant, and that'll take us to the Workspaces component. And the first thing we need to do is to set up a new workspace, and then we're going to associate our user account with that workspace as well as the new library that we're going to create with that workspace. So we'll click Add New, just do Workspace-1, and click Create. Then we're going to click the Set as Default button. That'll make Workspace 1 our default workspace when we log in. It'll be set to be active by default. Our units here are going to be US customary, and we won't be using the structural response files today, so we'll leave that turned off. So next we'll click on Workspace 1. And right away we can see that there aren't any paired workspace users. So first thing we'll want to do is add our user account, pair our user account with the workspace. So we'll click Add Association. There's the cbecker@area.com account. We'll hit Add, and then Done. So the next thing we want to do is set up the default material library. So we'll click on Default Libraries, and then Add New. Switch this to the US unit system, and then we'll give this library a name. We'll just call it AC1. It's going to be an asphalt library. And we'll change this air voids percentage to 7.5 just so we can see the difference once it's been loaded into the design. Click Save. And we can see that there are no associated workspaces yet, so we're going to click on Add Association. We can see the workspace 1 that we just created is available, so we'll hit Add, and then Done. And now we can see that workspace 1 has been associated with our library. So the next step here is to go to the selected workspace navigation item. And we want to change this from our system workspace to the new workspace that we created, workspace 1. Set that as the default workspace, and we'll set it as the current session workspace. So now the library's been created. Our user account's been associated with the workspace. The library's been associated with the workspace. The next step is to go into our designs component, and we can create or upload a design. We'll just call this design 1, US customary design, create. And next we'll click on the design editor pen, and we'll make a new flexible design. We'll then click on the structure action menu item. You can see right now air voids for the default asphalt concrete are 7%. We'll come over here to the layer selection editor. We're going to bring in our new AC1 material. So this appears here because of the associations that we did with the workspace, the user account, and the library. We'll drag this on. We'll just get rid of this other default asphalt concrete, and we'll hit Done Editing. And now we can see this has actually pulled in the air voids that we had set up for that library. Any other properties, material properties that we had changed for this material, those would all be here as well. So that's how to create a material library and how to bring that into a new or an existing design. I hope this has been helpful, and we will talk with you all soon.